Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from crypto miner Tycoon. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the application and at the bottom, you will see a plus icon. If you tap it, you will find an exchange option. Many people mistake this for the withdrawal button, but it's actually for exchanging money from crypto. To withdraw real money, it's not that straightforward and the options can be confusing. For instance, you might see a money to crypto coin exchange, but that's just for crypto trading, not withdrawing cash. If you continue exploring the app, you might find options like investors or other features, but none of them provide a clear withdrawal method. This could lead you to believe the app is fake. However, it's not a scam, you just misunderstood its purpose. The app is designed for fun and it doesn't claim to offer real money withdrawals. The game is intended for entertainment, and while you can earn virtual money, you can't cash out. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to withdraw money from crypto miner Tycoon. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.